Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line. Bling bling. Bling bling. Bling bling.
Alifuna isithini ezikhalayo Tommy Bond nanseline
Bling bling.
and mlungu lapha andazi
Bling
noba
bling.
expect man
Bling
oh
bling.
phofu uzawuphinda afika ngxo lapha basara
Bling, bling.
card can uphinda wow Bling line hello hayi ke
I hate the service provider.
Sara ifoni ibikhala ithini into yakho abenze lunchini mnumzana but ndiyabuyela back edeskini yami ngoku ndihlela apha edeskini
They never answer the phone.
sumncamo xolo ke bhuti
These vanilla.
okanye nothe mani ngathi ibhuti apha ofisini ne okay kaloku ngumalume wami so kwale nto uba ibhuti ingathi ifanana kum
These Vernac speakers.
Sara phendula ifone
Can't take them anywhere. All they
khathi ke
know
ndizama
is,
uridayela ke ngo
amapiano.
mandimyeke if nyhani beyifuna le service ezawuphinda phone
Try one
Yaqonda?
more time.
yeah
If they don't answer, I promise you.
okanye mafane WhatsApp andithandi nothethe efowunini ke mna ke
Bling bling.
andiyandifumana njani nale job yoba
Bling
yi-receptionist
bling.
okay
Bling bling.
Big line hello
Hi, is everything okay there? Kunini phone?
hello
Hi, is everything fine? I've been phoning and you guys aren't answering your calls.
sorry man we just we were on another call
No, you
We
can't
had
say
a-
sorry as a service provider, ma'am, because you are providing a service to me and you guys promised that every time I phone, my phones will be picked up because the service, it's important to your business, yam. So, when I pendulum phone, I can't continue with the business, yam.
so
I can find another service provider, nang like. Nicho ba ninfuni app.
no
No,
the thing is ne
the thing
I'm
is.
trying to help you
Oh, Puti, you are working on my last name.
no andingusisi Sarah is my name
Sarah?
oh I'm so offended yabona uthe ndingubhuti ke
You are not allowed to be
no,
offended. You know what has offended me? No. Do you know what has offended me? Is the fact that I'll nipenduli phone when I put Sarah. Ban kamala.
yazi ndihlekiswa ngumsindo
Nam ndihlekisa kumsindo.
I think when uhlekiswa kundigezela
Oh, ndicela ufake
Wow.
airtime. Oh!
ba ubani khona no
Ndicela ufake airtime for the show yam Puti. Sisi, ubani Sarah?
okay
Inkosi bye bye.
sakufakela i2 minutes
Okay, uzobona ba uzodibana nenyoka.
wena ungumntu ongubhuti
ibethelela
ungumntu ongusisi
izinki.
wena
Wakho walibona inyoka ibethelela izinki, uzodibana nayo ke namhlanje.
ibethelela izinga ndawoni I know ezawuputyuka le nyoka
Bye bye. Yesterday.
friend can you believe she just said actually I was using your name my name is actually Khomotso
Your friend
but I
doesn't
said
know your
Sarah.
name.
So Sarah, I was using your name. I told this customer my name is Sarah, but now they didn't understand that and they were talking closer to me. I thought they were going to speak English. Now, I need to explain to you, friend, what they said. They said if I don't put airtime on the show, can you imagine that I'm going to maybe, I don't know if it's on my way home or what, but I'm gonna see a snake hammering a nail into a zinc. You guys use zinc. They're gonna see me. I'm gonna see a snake hammering a nail into that's not asbestos.
It's a zinc.
Into a zinc, but not like a sink. A zinc. Corrugated iron. I'm gonna see a snake hammering
Oh,
corrugated iron, a nail into corrugated iron. And they hung up before I could find out what is the snake going to be using. I'm so worried about the snake. Oh my word. Anyways.
welcome back to the Bling Line, guys, where this show is about you, for you, but we always have to start it with a bit of chaos.
This show is exactly the one thing that you actually didn't know that you needed, but once you start watching it, you start to realize and think, how did your life be before that,
How did your life be?
where you start imagining a snake. What is that supposed to be like a threat?
You will see something you've never seen before.
Okay, but you have you heard it?
Yes, I heard it on some guy's TikTok. Some guy was sending a voice note.
Crazy. That's crazy. A threatening voice note.
Yeah, some guy was sending a voice note to his wife's side nigga.
Dibana nenyoka ibethela nesikhongwane kwizi. Intoni?
Bethelela izinki.
Ibethela izinki.
Obviously, ubethelela ngesikhongwane. You don't have to say this khongwane part. And I thought that
is
is
the funniest thing I've heard all day. And I've heard a lot of funny things too.
Yeah, when I heard it, I was like, I can't wait to use this on a public platform. I'm
Crazy
glad it worked
stories.
out.
That's massive, bro.
All right.
Well done.
This is from episode
stand-up show.
This is from episode 119.
Nostelo
Yeah, go ahead.
Mahele.
Mm-hmm.
Uthi no. Ndiyangena.
Dancing lady.
Nostelo is Egyptian for those guys that don't know. Hi faves. Sibaluleke kakhulu esasaziso. Umzekelo ndikhe ndathi ndiya eRosebank phofu ndisemdantsane, very important land.
That's all we'll have to say about that.
Imdantsane idolophu.
Yeah, no, guys, nisithathile isaziso sami nasithatha seriously, and I will forever be grateful for it. Ningadinwa nangomso because ngomso kuzophuma omnye umgarando. So, ningadinwa. Intengiso. Thank you, Nostelo. Uthi usiv sim. I won't lie, I was a tamzupela nam when it came to dating sites. Till my colleague made a bet with me to join. I hate taking pics, especially alone, samesies. I care if uti I must send a full body pic, uti mandife. But care. No, why would you ask someone for that? But care, I had the first 3 pics as selfies and the rest were groups. Fast forward, 7 years later, the guy I met on the dating app is now my husband.
No ways, bro.
He's now my husband of 2 years and father to my 2 sons. There's hope, Sisi. Another great show, Betuna.
Crazy.
Sanitanda down.
That's insane.
You know what? I feel like 7 years ago, like, was the sweet spot. Ngoku?
You're right.
It's a sour spot, son.
Yini, guys.
We're funny not to be nomntu wakhe eqaphukela uthatha selfie. I mean,
So nachata ke for 5 years because it was 7 years back.
no. No, but they hate her for 5 years and then they got married. And they've been married
That's
for 2 years.
incredible, bro.
2 sons.
What?
Did you make 2 sons in 2 years?
Yeah. Dalita.
No, I'm joking, okay.
Gee. Oh, thethe kanti ubotshwe umnwe. Wow.
That's amazing.
That's, bro. I don't think I think this is my first. I don't think I even know anyone even from social media, people that I know personally. I know that there are stories, but hey, look with DMs. But a dating thing.
Yeah.
Sivs, dog. Shout out. I know. Shout out to you guys. I feel like Nyan, if something is meant to be, it's meant to me, bro. So yeah, no. All the best to you and the hubby going forward and your 2 kids. Yeah, and I guess it's something that you definitely recommend. Happiness, Uti. It might be a side note, but when it comes to friendships, it becomes a bit difficult if you have grown up being an only child. So it becomes a bit difficult to integrate into sharing your life with others, and you don't know how to open up and be vulnerable because that's not something you're used to. Come all your life. You were alone. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like there's also growing up with siblings where the one might be a sharer and the one not.
For sure. So it could become either way. I know people who are only kids and who like share a lot because they were only kids. and they've always kind of wanted
Correct.
to share.
Yes.
And they never had the opportunity to. So it could go either way, just like anything else. I mean, not all environments affect us the same way.
So what do you think it comes down to?
Your personality, which is something that we always do not take into consideration, because that is something that is formed before you can talk, before you can reason, before you can think. And so, iba une personality yomdu or giving and sharing, that's what you're going to do.
Do you believe a personality is something that is given to you that you don't have any say in?
You can add to it or subtract from it, but I think it's a standard.
As a result of what? Something that you're born with, or something that molds you?
Something that you're born with.
So you're saying you probably have the same personality regardless of the family that you grew up in? Okay.
And so your question is what? Do I think that that's a result of the family I was born into?
Environment.
I think that has helped, yes. I don't think it's as a result of, but I think it has helped.
Okay, so it's a catalyst, not necessarily part of the chemical equation. Okay. So then it's not something that you really so it's something that you're born with. Bring out environment.
Yes.
I think very different.
How do you think?
I think yes, environment that definitely does shape you. But there's environment and then there's you.
Yeah.
And a lot of you being, when I say you, I mean the choices that you make.
Look, we can't take away choice and environment because those are also factors that are very important in steering you in a certain direction.
Yeah.
But I think uko at the center of it. I don't know what that is in English. Who you are at the center of it.
So that's what I'm saying.
So who you are can be shaped by your choices and your environment.
So abanye bantu ke ngabantu abangalunganga. That's who they are. Is that what we're saying?
No, I don't think there's someone who's born ongalunganga.
Kaloku if ukhona ozalwe elungile.
But personality doesn't say about ulungile okanye awulunganga. That's not personality.
What is personality? Good and bad?
No. That's ulunga nongalungi. What? Personality is I'm talkative. I'm don. I'm a sharer. That's personality. It's not like I'm a good person or not a good person. I'm quiet. I'm shy. I'm don. That's personality.
I don't know, bro. I just believe we're born blank.
And then who becomes talkative and who becomes shy?
The person who maybe was in a talkative environment. So either or, right? The person who was in a talkative environment, who took that on. The person who was in a quiet environment, who chose Uguti, that's not me. I don't want to be.
But you see these things, like
absolutely environment.
Yes, but this is the thing. You see a personality. There was no theta. There was no reason. You see a personality.
Absolutely, because at that stage they've been exposed long enough.
Sure, but are you saying So are you saying that they've made a choice because you can have two people grow up in the same environment and have completely
they're too
two
small
different
to make a choice. I'm saying the environment has written.
But we can grow up in the same environment and turn out completely different. Still. Not sibadala. We are twins, we are 2 years old, you're quiet and I'm loud. How do you explain that?
Is late as baleki ngokufana.
Because of personality, that's what I say.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
If you guys know.
Let us know. Yeah, for sure. Because also, Nati, this is just how we think. But if you guys have maybe a more scientific way of expressing it, we'll be happy to
Yeah, that'd be very interesting.
Yeah.
Miss K.M. Bobo. Uti, love the difference in body expression when you all laugh. Talita is all about total body movement, and Zugo laughs hard while upright with little body movement. Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, and gay personality.
I'm expressive. Yes.
Indoda kaloku mna senhleki ngesidima.
Kuthiwa ilaugh yakhe.
Ndingahleki ngani ndiwemthini.
Oh, mna ndiwe-
Zaki.
mna ndiwemthini.
Do you know that there's no jokes I love so much like Bible-backed jokes? That's like my favorite thing.
Thanda uhlekisa ngabantu beBhayibhile in other words.
Anhlekisi.
Oh, we don't
Dilika emthini, dilika emthini.
And then what's laughing got to do with it?
Huh?
What's laughing got to do with it?
Hleki ngathi
Oh,
wemthini.
yeah. Okay, sharp. Dog. Okay, why did you decide to read this as Miss K.M. Bobo instead of Miss K. Bobo?
Oh, I totally didn't see that.
Okay. Oh, I was so surprised. I was like, you're gonna leave this one alone.
Yeah, no, I completely read it the way that I said it.
Kuthiwa uhleke ngathi unemali eninzi. Even just that. And abantu abanemali they still kwabehleka. Oh. Akathi
Ngathi ufuna uphiwa imali lo wenza lewe. Ngathi ufuna uphiwa le mali ihlekwa ikulo ohleka ngathi unayo. Oh, I love that. Yeah, under pressure.
So topic suggestion for the next episode, prep within a marriage context. I took this because I was like, why would you take prep in a marriage?
What?
Yes, prep was.
Preparation within a marriage.
Who's gonna spell preparation like that? I-prep, Joe.
Pre-exposure.
Yes.
Huh?
Why?
Often, I mean, why do you take prep? Anyways.
To not be exposed to HIV.
Correct. Which doesn't necessarily mean that it will come from your partner.
But you're married.
Correct.
So you don't trust the person you're married to.
No, you don't trust the world that the person that you're married to lives in.
And that their person won't partake in that world.
No, that the world won't nansika the person.
Like how?
Just in case, because we live in South Africa and there's always these heinous crimes that happen all the time.
So for heinous crimes purposes?
Possibly. Other people do. Other people do. As a matter of safety, like for example, also maybe maningathi noba umuntu ulinesi, mandithi mhlambi umuntu is just a normal person. And kwabantu abarechwa every single day apha eMzantsi Afrika.
So le prep izothatha sithi sobayi-2.
Kaloku andiyabi izothathwa ngubani qha ndiyachaza.
No, but andithi ndiyabuza lokhu uba mayithathwe ngubani.
Ngofuna uyithatha. Because mna ndingangayithathi mna because mna I've got male privilege.
Okay.
And I think just in the context of the country and what the hell happens, I read this comment completely differently, by the way.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay. You got next.
So uthini wena mayingathathwa? Hayi kaloku njani ho?
Bensitsho now, because I wasn't thinking of in that way. As much as I'm the one who's more likely to have something happen to me that I don't want happening to me, I didn't think of it that way at all, because I just thought of it as a way where you're just going, just in case somebody steps out.
Oh. Okay. Akitsibi kitsubile tracker. Yeah, but yeah. Okay. Ugcobisa Hani uthi. Today I feel like I saw the serious Zugo, saw the real Zugo, ma'am. Because he wasn't being hyped up by Talita. I think Talita's voice being low and husky and not loud made him speak lower as well and somewhat more settled. First time seeing the saying
feeding off each other's energy. Great show as always, guys. And also nam tamzubela ndisusa amaqanda ndithandaze nditye. Kamandi. And ke sithaba sisaphila no Talita.
I don't know what
No, Talita.
No, Talita. Uthini uthaba? To be happy.
Sisaphila. Yeah.
Silapa.
Look.
Silapa would make more sense. Silapa sisaphila. No?
Oh, yes.
Sitya amaqanda sinjalo.
Oh, silapa ewe. Yes. No, cool, 100%. Okay, fair. So it could have been a typo. So, yeah, man, I think kunzima man uba ube hyped up fundi nomnye umuntu ezolile betshena amazwi egowa. So, yeah, definitely. But that Zuko that you saw is like literally like, what would you say when Amdu who chills with me even outside of podcast, right? Uba, which percentage of me is a serious Zuko? And which is the other one?
I'd go 50-50.
50-50? Okay.
I think there's a good balance of both those people living within you.
I mean, there's good balance and there's 50-50, mate. That's more like a perfect balance.
Wow. Okay, fine. A perfect balance of both people. Yeah, because, I mean, we can be chatting and laughing and making fun of things, and then like 30 seconds later, you're like, "Okay, life yakho uzoyithini namhlanje."
That was last week in the car on the way home. Oh, we were laughing and joking about something so silly. And then 2 seconds later, Diti, I'm not 80.
So it's literally a perfect balance, and it can avail itself in the same sitting. It doesn't have to be.
No. Robot to robot, my darling.
You're finding someone new at each stop.
For sure, yeah. I think that explains it very well, because I definitely think so, Nam. And a lot of people kind of struggle with that, because whereas I make the switch almost without even thinking. Because I think maybe because I'm an overthinker. So by the time we're laughing, I'm already thinking about
the future.
What are we going to talk about next? I want there to be an awkward silence. When you ask her about her goals and her future dreams.
Oh my gosh! So disturbing. Oh my god.
Oh man, I think maybe not in such an extreme way, but maybe linked to me being an overthinker, and a lot of things going through my head at the same time. And sometimes the joke about this one serious and yes.
Thank you, Kobisa, for that. What's you, Pelisa? This is Tarly Dimtanda. Influenced me to try Tinder and Sada. I saw the amount of hey, how are you?
Imagine why you doing.
What do you do? What do you do? Where do you live? Conversations. Led me to deleting it on day 2. Apart from the redundancy of it, I got uncomfortable with the idea of strangers knowing that information about me when there's no guarantee that we will further the conversation. I wish those apps had conversation starters or icebreakers. Hinge does. Bumble does. To avoid the awkward first conversation or oversharing. Goku, I seem like a bae, or as if I'm too guarded just because I won't tell you the area I live in. Meanwhile, we just started talking.
Yeah.
Long distance relationship or what?
Joburg should be enough, God. No?
No, Joburg should definitely be enough. But I know, like,
also 3 kilometers away.
That you can tell where someone is. Yeah, no, I understand that. I mean, it does feel like a lot. But obviously now it's popular because of apps, because you had 2 days and the amount of haze. How are you? It's been weeks.
Yeah, also, guys, let's try and be a little bit more tactful, right? Also, guys, you guys need to try and be a little bit more tactful, right? Because sometimes you don't have to ask like there's a colorful way to have a conversation. Ungabuza uba where do you live? Ubuza uba xa ushophisha udla uthanda ushophisha phi? Yayiva? Xelela umuntu ke ngoku uma no North Riding.
No, uzothi umuntu checkers.
Then the ladies also need to try.
Which is your favorite mall?
No, that doesn't work. Your favorite mall you're from, I could hear but your favorite mall but kude.
Also, why do you want to know so early in the game? Buhlala pumdu.
Asulukuzelele kaloku fonini.
Ba mhlambi xa uzochecka how far you're going to go.
Kaloku ba kwenzela uba xa enansikile zame ukuza. Uyazi wena ba mhlambi ubudget emalini for ujika. Like ezinye races nicimba
Ikhona into yobudget.
Oh my duck is so unique, man.
Do you think other races have these conversations?
I don't think so. Nezama yokuza, bruh. I don't think so.
I think they should. Not everyone's got money.
Try for money. Try for money to get here.
Yeah.
Kaunti zama yokuza English. Because abanye abantu abazami banayo.
Aba bangenayo. Because not everyone's got money. Aba bangenayo. When you want to see a person, what do you say? And you can only either take them home or bring them. What do you say to them?
Look, I mean, I can Uber you home.
Yes, there we go.
Zame yokuza.
You, Zame Yokuza.
That's crazy.
Yeah, if you Uber here, I can Uber you home. Yeah, there it is.
Also, mhlawumbe singabaxhosa bodwa. Azange ndive umuntu esithi zame yokuza ngeSwati. Yasinga iSwati.
Say it in Sana. Say it in Sana.
Muna. My thinking, ne? Wena itlele. Naki tla ukhutlisa.
That's okay.
No. I've never heard anyone say that. Though.
Yeah, because no one said it to you.
Yeah, but no one has ever said man zame yokuza nam. But I've heard it from people, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, because you live in this community.
People think I'm so cool. They don't even know I get my personality from these two.
Hey, careful.
Even the way Mr. Zugo switches accent 4 times, making 1 point. Oh, crap. I just did that in the comment just before.
Now, poor Miss Ndwandwe is walking around like you.
Yeah. Chongake, you must also touch on the side and let me tell you the challenges that come with that. You will be so misunderstood and diagnosed, no?
Oh no, could diagnose or diagnose or no?
Yo, into ezininzi sho mama,
my
andifunozibiza.
vibes, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for the love, my darling.
Shout out.
Utu Fitness Glow and Glam. Loved the message on the board today. You'll never achieve anything extraordinary in your comfort zone. And most of us, asifunu usuka kwi comfort zone. Kuba siyoyika. And in that sense, we are saving our lives, not living. Thanks for the show and the running stories. I went back to being active. Yay! I love it. I love when people say I went back or I started.
Yes,
it's
correct.
like my favorite kind of commentary.
Super beautiful, super beautiful. And some more running stores are about to hit you guys. I'm just still preparing my things. I'm not as organized as I seem.
What are you talking about?
But you're on the run.
Oh.
I'm not as organized as I seem, but I'm getting there. I've completed the first step of admitting you have a problem. So now I am looking at possible solutions so that I can execute.
Lovely.
Shout out. If that all 18 of those episodes had made one person go back to being active,
You would have worked out.
happy.
Yeah. Thank you, Fitness.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Team T, baby, is up, son. August money. CCS.
City.
CCT, yes. That's the correct pronunciation. Yes, Tali. Because her answers were just spot on, Sana. Oh, this is about closeness of it all.
Yeah.
I also watched the promotion videos, and all I can say is that Nikani Talita Nolfefe Ndima, aka T Baby, is show yake present because what a TV personality. What a Beyonce, Sana.
I love this.
Crazy how I'm in my 20s and every time I look at you all, I'm like, oh my gosh. Bakhulile aba njani and yes.
What?
I feel the same way as Zuwana about dating sites because it's difficult for me to hold a chat, let alone conversation, especially with people I've never even met. Yeah. Look, at the end of the day, Talita is open to work. Is what I need to tell you.
Yes, give me that show. I will take it.
She will Beyonce it. Well and back. Look, I think there's also a lot of growing that we've done within the last 3 years.
No, definitely. It's just crazy that like someone so young could see that.
Yeah.
Because what are they seeing? Like, what are you?
They're seeing how episode 1 versus episode 123.
If we didn't grow, it'd be weird.
It would be very. Imagine, guys, we didn't grow. Imagine we shot all of these. No, we wouldn't have a bling line. But imagine all the other sibling episodes. We shot them all in like 2 weeks. This is Vale. Let's just shoot the 8 hours a day show in one. Then it would seem like we're not growing.
Oh no, for sure. Yeah. Then you definitely wouldn't see much change.
Yeah.
But also, we could never do that.
I mean, days of our lives, homie.
Do you think we could do that?
What?
You think you could shoot for 8 hours the episodes as he ate?
Tell me I can talk, bro. That's only clear. I'm like, nah, otherwise. Are you sure you vocab?
I don't think I have the attention span for this.
Awuphangeli kaloku. Uyabona ke thina uphangelayo. Hlala uyenza into whole day.
Andithandi le nto thina ndiphangeli.
Okay. You're not formally employed.
Oh, so what am I? Informally employed?
Informal sector kaloku. I co-regulated, tell me.
Oh, and I got regulated
Yeah,
too. Sana
that's what-
siphathwa left, right and center.
Exactly. Kusha nina niyambi dina nebosses zenu. Thanks for that ngoqo yelapha.
What does that mean?
Ngoba thina sifake i-CV. Thina ninazi CV.
Sana. Uti, is it your turn?
Noxolo. Uti, I am new here and I'm trying to catch up. Thank you for an insightful conversation.
Don't catch up too fast.
There we go.
Because you'll sort of a problem where not enough drugs, but you need more drugs.
What's happening? Yes, but I think if you do twice a week, because we've got 2 episodes coming out every week, when I Wednesday twice a week, so 3 times a week, you'll watch 1 old episode and then you watch the 2 that come out. 3 a week. Fun. You should last.
No, she can't watch an old one and then a new one.
What?
Because then she'll miss the growth and she'll miss the ndondoni and some of the stuff that we've said before that we're now referencing. She'll miss stuff.
So you come up with, you find a channel which is Sibling Thravery lookalike. How do you watch it?
I'm watching 3 episodes from the beginning. I'm watching 3 episodes.
Then man episode then wow.
Ndibukele 3 tende ngusibiko episodes.
Spira, my favorite word. Tough.
Not tough.
Tough, mate. I think you can watch it either way because it just there's very
Fine, because it's very different. But
okay.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, you carry on.
No,
I
I'm
interrupted
done.
you.
I'm done.
No, I interrupted you.
Asasaka lo babe fullthina look. Ditungenile wena kamohara. Umlomo.
Mlomo wako nukang.
Ngena ke. Noah.
Gena. Oh! Welcome, my baby. That's all I'm going to say. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the madness. Welcome to the love. Welcome to a dope community. Uzophathwa ngezalishushu apha. Don't you worry.
Uh-huh.
I hope you've subscribed everywhere as well, because sometimes people forget to subscribe.
Absolutely.
So still subscribe.
There we go.
Thanks, Napolo. What your reigning queen? In English, there are homonyms, words that sound the same and are spelt the same, i.e. can and can. Homophones, words that sound the same but are spelt differently, i.e. bear and bear.
Where and where.
Homographs, words that are spelt the same but are pronounced differently, i.e. tear and tear.
Woof.
All right. P.S. I love it when I've missed an episode or two and going, I get to binge listen. This is the drug I was talking about.
Do you also binge watch? This is a Spotify comment, no?
Yeah, someone asked how they can watch video on Spotify.
And what did you say?
I didn't say anything. Okay.
Yeah, because very often what you'll find is that there's a thing on your Spotify just under your video that gives you the option to either switch to audio or switch to video.
But if there's if it started on audio, can't say under your video.
Under your say wash when what's shiny thing?
I'm
shining yani. Under the thing. Under the logo.
Oh, okay. So if you're just listening and what you see is just the logo right underneath the logo.
Yes, correct. So I don't know, you might not be able to see this, but just under the logo, there's a place here that says switch to video. And then you can click
Tap
on it and then it will take you through to the video. Which is now not playing, but yeah, that's all my fault. Yeah, so it will basically play the video. So yeah, that's an easy way to do that.
Thanks, my darling.
Hundreds.
Thanks, reigning queen, for the English lesson as well.
Sanda knows izwe matikane uti, oh Sana, I'm so addicted to you guys. Just found you on this platform, making it easy for me to multitask, work, chat while listening to you. I was just about to say that. Tukuti, some people would prefer audio because they use it as a part of their multitasking. Your podcast is not distracting me, Sana. I feel like I'm working with you. Really?
That's wild.
You must be the first person to say that. So productive at work. Feels so good and therapeutic listening to you. Love you loads, my blings.
Oh, thank you, Sanda.
Thank you so very much. How do you feel? I always feel so special when someone uses the term blings. Because we coined it.
Yeah, for sure. It's a cute term.
I feel like we created a word. That's mad, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Massive.
Yeah, because we call everyone else blings. We don't get called blings
Yeah.
a lot of, yeah, for sure. Oh, Tanya also said homonyms are same spelling, different pronunciation. Homophones, spelled different but sound the same. Homograph, different sound and meaning but same spelling. Nilap, nilaitili.
Yeah, absolutely. That's cool. I didn't know that there were those three words.
I didn't know about homographs. I don't think they taught that
funny,
to me in school.
Homo sapien. Yeah, that's we Homo sapien. Well, Ulwazi uthi, oh, Sister T, now we're on the struggles of asking for help. That pause says a lot. People get upset when I say, Yegela, my darling, or it's fine, because Babiga is stories and having to further explain ukuthi angikwatanga, just pause me. Zuko usile, bruh. Didn't you say Sister T should be active on IG? I posted Noma, ama reels, ama dumps or anything in previous episode. Mind you are here judging on Yumdana, shame on you. That's my job as a little brother. Take your
job too seriously.
Too many people tiptoe around her because she is who she is. Dilapa kamna unubuyisela back up ebahlalini. Buyisele ebantwini.
Oh have a little brother, they said. It'll be nice, they said.
Yes, and yathethwa almost laa nto and siyithethile kwenye episode uba umntu
Ngumntu.
ngabantu. Si nga. Zintoni ezo?
What?
Simaphambili. Iso simaphambili. Ndole. What do you call those
Plurals.
things?
What?
Ngumntu.
That's
Si ngabantu.
Gabantu.
Yo.
Ngumntu.
Ndimntu. Ndingumntu. Ungumntu. Singabantu. What do you call those first?
I don't know.
letters?
In what language?
Xhosa.
Oh, I don't know, bro.
I guess French. I'll see you when. Yeah. Okay, Ndimorong. I know where I confused you. I said in English. What do you call those things? I should have said Zibizwa non fair. Fair, got it.
Oh, son, I gotta be on my toes the whole time.
Thank you, Lwazi, for that. Yeah, maitrikile nto yenu guys, eh?
Baby.
Wenu ba ningafuna explain ani tin. With
Ufuna ucela
asking
help.
for help things. Yeah. I
Yeah.
totally get that reasoning though.
I mean, I needed something this past week, and then I asked like 4 people, and they all couldn't do it. And I was like, this is why I don't ask. Like, what? I'm not blaming you for not being able to do it, but I'm just like, ugh, of course you can't do it because you have a life and you got your own things happening. But it just exasperates me to have had to ask more than one person.
Excuse, but I want but level.
No.
But keep asking.
Oh,
Serious. Yeah, nginceda nyani
it's
akusafair lonto.
discouraging.
Zamachwama.
Uthi into esizogxothwa yona uhleka iziqhazule umsebenzi.
Exactly what I was talking about when it comes to that other comment that we read.
Yile podcast. She says this all the time also. Awukagxothwa nangoku. Dating these days is so finicky. Oh, masixola abasasicela iinamba zethu or
Yo.
Instagram they do. It never leaves the talking stage because abafana won't want to take us on dates. But yeah, speaking on interests and bios, I've met a lot of guys and friends on social media, read Twitter, because of algorithms and realizing that you share the same interests with people. And then before you know it, meetups and long-term relationships.
Oh, crazy.
Ugh.
That's cool.
Yeah, because it's no pressure there, you know. You're not like focused and zoning in on, I want a relationship. It's like, I want to build some kind of relationship, but doesn't necessarily have to be a love one.
Yeah, I think also to the first part of your comment, well, the first part of your second paragraph, there's certain signs that we must take because we know now that people they tend to live differently to what was intended.
Mm-hmm.
Yabo. For example, masixole. Suxola. Akazobenza uba mabaxole abantu. So iba tricky. Yabo. And I think we've had this conversation before, but ikwayilando ba innocent abaninzi bapi.
I said jail.
You understand? Or tiny njalo.
But
Yabo.
huge.
Uyayiva. That's rather abantu abanamagama mhlambe oThalita. Yayiva. Nyan. So yeah.
Yeah, it's tough, eh? Like, people don't ask, like, abantu basasicela numbers, yes? And that used to be such a thing back in the day.
Speed ngazo. Banu speed then.
Now sicela wonke umuntu.
Sokuba kuchike xa umcelele ubuya speed. Athi lena nakunika inamba. No, bungeka speed ngoba ngicela inamba.
Ngumuntu ospidayo umo wami.
Funa umbone umuntu ospidayo.
Speed is a Chinese.
That's so funny. I find that as one of the funniest terms. Yeah, I speed man. I speed
It's the worst thing to hear as well. You just like, are you talking about me? You must be Tayo. Shut up. Shut up.
That's so funny. Thank you for that, Zama. Sinotando, the way Zuko is running away from this. Tell me about yourself. What do you mean? I just told you something about my finances that you'd probably find out. Andizama apply eli bond nomntu wakho. Mna ndibeka on the table. Sibekwa nje.
Ibond yethu izaba yakho.
Dabhideka manje yabona laa nto xa usi-student then usports scene umane inyusa i-credit limit yam nama ndinqandi yonini ndaphuma mle tertiary yi-hour usports scene 23,000 South African rand ndabe ndisithi andizoyibhatala because uba irresponsible. Why would you give a child 23,000 to spend on sneakers and gym wear? Yaphela nibhatala lo wandiblacklista nancama ndakwanokweleta ifowuni phangela kwam. Hayi also eligama mani abantu abathi halo ukwelita awumele uba uyakwelita xa u-under 60.
What are you supposed to be doing?
Thenga cash. Ukwelita. Phike nikwelita yonke into nikwelita negrocery nina. Guys masizameni man.
Kancane nje.
Uthi I wonder wamshela kanjani usqueezer wethu. Come on, it's something like a smooth operator kodini.
That's a story for another day.
However, I share the same sentiments. Hopefully one day she can come on the show and tell her side of the story.
Yeah, that would be so cute.
However, I share the same sentiments. I can talk about everything under the sun, the stars, in the galaxy, and even in the imagination. But about me, myself, no thanks, you.
That's so weird because so many people were saying this. So many people were like, about myself. And it's like, dude, if you can talk about everything under the sun, but you can't talk about yourself, that's a little bit scary.
Do you think maybe that speaks to our us knowing a lot more about everything else under the sun?
Yeah.
But
and that's the scary
more than
part.
ourselves.
Yeah. People were just like, oh, Sana, rather not. I'd rather not have this conversation. I'd rather not try this relationship with Fauzo to tell me about yourself. And I'm like, bro, the one person you're with 24/7.
Look, yeah, I think it's maybe sometimes it's not knowing enough about ourselves, but also sometimes because you spend so much time with this person who is yourself, also feeling like not much to say really.
There's so much to say about everyone.
Hey, there's not much that you see when as of interest.
For sure, because when it was Khalil.
Yes, correct. And then now you're oversharing now ubalisa amabibi akho ba wa aske ndiyifeqo xa ufune ndondlule nangoku andondlulanga.
And people also saying in the work context as well, because people will ask you about, tell us about yourself. Like, yeah,
papa. Yeah. Casting.
No one ever asks about ourselves, actually.
In fact, it's your ability to be someone else.
Exactly, not to be yourself. So people were saying, but in the interview, they're like, that's the worst question. I'm like, this is also something you can prepare for. I was asked about we are going interview. So figures, but my script is Zoti. Don't
hard worker.
I work well under pressure.
That's okay.
Lies.
Yeah.
Oh, Sister Tingi, now on the struggles of Austin.
No, we've read this one.
Oh,
yeah.
We have read this one.
Yeah.
Okay, well, guess that's the end of Thank you guys so much for your contribution as per usual, because le show ayiko ningeko.
Yes. Umdu.
Gumdu. Kabandu.
Abandu.
In other words, don't forget to
Love each other.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.